so that there's no edging, so then you can't fire it. Now I'm gonna shoot it.
Look up at me again real quick. Okay, now you're gonna shoot it. Okay,
Yes.
shoot it. Let's see, show us your target there.
We moved to the other side of.
Good.
What?
Josiah's 6.
And I'm sick.
And he's sick.
Sick.
Yeah.
You're going to school tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to hear no, I'm sick.
Tummy hurts. I just want to stay home and shoot Daddy. He's learning the basics of marksmanship.
Did I say he's 6? Yes. It's February 1st, 2016.
In 3 days, we will be Jaylene's parents for 10 years. Huh.